Oh, okay, I don't like that. Good morning. Olivia's doing good. The vet was here yesterday. She does not have pneumonia. They're checking for worms with a stool sample. If it's not worms affecting her lungs, which we highly doubt, then we're still dealing with allergy, asthma type stuff and inflammation in the back of her throat. So just as a precaution, we have a natural cough syrup that they gave us, and we give it to her twice a day. She doesn't seem to mind it too much and is doing good, eating great. She's doing good.